I was answering the President John Dramani Mahama Onyame over the insecurity in this country. And near Kobu Waha, Echina Yatwashi, and Yaku just said the insecurity in this country. No, it was your Anyajin Semu, and no, Anna Omo Abe Komabi, Achera Mahama, in fact, Omabe clash with John Mahama. Now, for Sammy Gyamfi, and your Mesko called 24 election time, no, or be charged to Ghana for na fair trono, I expose no, Omabe Komabi, Achera Sammy Gyamfi. Me want you to know the Wadre Amame. Ewo comment section. I you Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Obe like video, no other man subscribe button. So number click the notification icon latest updates. Number to the wide with the mama. Ewo comment section. Mess also baso. No share voice on your be ashe. Let me start with Sammy Gyamfi. Only say you got for election mono. Campaign there. The brena the top from Ewo Ghana how. Porsche, promises, Porsche. The brena the top from. Oh, maybe I may say, oh, me took our dredge sea from Accra to Kumasi. What is a cheddar? Ewo honomo. If you are a member, tertiary student, free ice cream. Mahama in the con. Hey, I said, great. Just a wash here. The Brennan above the Brennan top from our Ghana as Emma Sammy Gyamfi Ekoye, you know, campaign. Answer or Chiremu John Mahama's understanding or NDC's understanding for free SHS review. And what the explanation we buy.
Cranny beer. Omo papa ni oma wofo omo ni bi kura. Ono no school no ye free man okra ontumi nko. Because kai sika ode kokra den. And cranny bi wo wa ya fan fresh. Prospectus kofa we bra mattress ontumi nya. President Mahama said something special must be done for them. Targeted. We see a targeted sankra no. Ye mo special dispensation bia omitumi akọ. This is what President Mahama means when he says, I will review free SHS.
I say, Chiremu say, oh, you want crime cry now. Who you move the school, or Muntimi Kobe. Example for no, a ban air, you know, most of your ban betting a bossica foot will be at the Ama Womo, say, it's kind of a so much to my support to the school, almost at him. I could be. Yes, sir. Some young feature and say, will pay ye. Now we send and see a parliament, or Mukobo, so our parliament said, Moshebo. As some bank, Crano Munyes Cacranto to school, Hunyaman. Ubeye bibi dia support sankra no ye ha ni mu a ye hu hwe enkra bi complain ne ma boy do mu kra ntimi to because of that school mu ntimi nko omgo page na busa majority leader in parliament Mahama Ayadega onko kasa so de NDC anka ne ba biada se e ba free SHS no ye be ma obi sika no that to turn the near my people prospectus NDC anka ne ba biada.
Nobody ever promised anything like that. So when schools reopen and parents have to buy their chop boxes, have to buy their spoons and cups and etc., how does that become an indication of a non-performing government?
Biwa, Sammy Gyamfi. As soon as I Ghana for San Quasiabono. Na comedians say, "Why come out just Sammy Gyamfi? At least 4 years after the Momon cannot credit, no credit. At least Mon can be that. Mon cannot credit."
Mahama Yarigas men country will say, Boga. Nobody promised you, say, oh, what about because cover top perspective of Munya Mama no. Na yawo awofo no responsibility say obama okọ school no obeto the prospectus money ama e de ama no obeto the provisions e de ama no. It's not the responsibility of the government. Enti say obi ka kire wo de a o say ani pa na twa wondro. Sammy Gyamfi is a confident trickster. He is a liar. And I told you guys, say no government will provide your child's prospectus for the person. But you guys believed in Sammy Gyamfi and thought Ekufado was not doing things right, and Ekufado should provide you prospectus for your own kid or Nonoko school. And you believed Sammy Gyamfi and went and voted for the NDC. And today they are telling you that they never promised anything like that. They never did. So now, who are you going to blame? You have to blame yourself because when I want to made them, it deceive you.
You know, during 2024 elections, Mami Kai was saying, "Biadia bako and also it didn't my pa and what election anymore. The size of government, the size of. But okay, and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Catherine said, Obama 50 ministers, okay." And now His Excellency Mahama John, as Catherine said, Obama 60 ministers. So ampa yeto aba edema o mampani Mahama John na eno na onam ono ankasa ne kasa mafo so ebe katren about the size of the government or no o mampani Mahama aforme say eno ni the most
made a firm commitment
everybody heard him say he will appoint 60 ministers. That is including deputy ministers. He also made it clear that he was going to cut down on the number of political appointees at the office of the president. So when the fellows of Osukwat, all the Kasama government, abine and Kasangasa. Now, and no channel of Kasabi and now Honorable Abujinapo called Parliament. And I say, Mr. Speaker, Adiama Beni Mahama Aya Ghana no. What they will be that. Now, I wouldn't want to take it from the horse's mouth, okay? Just take and watch.
So if you want to see the size of government and its bearing on the national exchequer, Mr. Speaker, don't just look at ministers and deputy ministers. Look at the government holistically. And Mr. Speaker, I want to submit that if you look at this government holistically, there are ministers, deputy ministers, senior presidential advisors, presidential staffers, presidential aides. President Mahama has formed arguably one of the biggest or largest governments in the history of our country as it relates to the cost on the national exchequer. He's appointed a presidential advisor on economy, appointed presidential advisor for 24-hour economy, presidential advisor in special aid to the president, presidential advisor on national anti-corruption program, presidential advisor on diaspora affairs. Mr. Speaker, he goes on to appoint presidential advisor, presidential staffer, and special aid to the vice president, presidential staffer for blàst experience, and then presidential staffer for diaspora affairs. Mr. Speaker, then he goes ahead to appoint 5 policy advisors to the vice president. Mr. Speaker, he tells the country that he's appointed a minister in charge of agribusiness, and yet he's appointed director at the presidency in charge of agriculture and agribusiness. My good friend Peter Buama Otukono. Mr. Speaker, he says he will not appoint deputy regional ministers, and he appoints 16 presidential staffers in charge of the 16 regions of our country. Mr. Speaker, I want to submit that these presidential staffers in charge of the 16 regions of our country, in essence, as it relates to the cost on the national exchequer, are in fact, indeed, and in substance, deputy ministers of state. Mr. Speaker, he then appoints, Mr. Speaker, listen carefully, please. Mr. Speaker, he then appoints 1 presidential advisor on media, 4 directors of communication at the office of the president, 5 deputy directors of communication, 2 communication specialists, 5 technical communication assistants, 1 media aide, 1 assistant media liaison officer, 1 communications consultant. I've done the mathematics, and I want to submit. I've done the mathematics that I want to submit, and I do this not from a partisan lens, but I do this as somebody who had the privilege and honor to serve as deputy chief of staff. I know how it works. In terms of the cost on the national exchequer, the president has appointed 100 ministers and deputy ministers.
That's the size of it. When you elephant size of government power, now so be a canano to end a year. Medical cancer say, mentai will be you, and a minchi will be. But young Cassia no moon somewhere you can't during the election, and I'm person me bought at the train crop for. But I say because Penyah Mahama joined the caricature say, Kakrebia, nay refi, and it's Ayana, a brano, the person me kaka Ghana for. I was sure probably 2024 elections medical catcher say obofo ne de nam eho apaso na me ma fatro say meka kai Ghana for ensem bi a NDC for catcher wo mo e ma wo mo diem de kadi kokromoti koto aba e de ma wo mo zaze ye mam Penyah Mahama John edical catcher yen say Ghana for de ye yale refuse see ani e refi and they have taken advantage of that. It means so me bo mo de anoma kai. In fact, I am even helping the NDC to remember their promises so that omo betimi aye na Ghana for so ehun atowo mo na within any pamiensa and about 2 days ni omo busa me sa question we na me de sa video we e na yi sa afo na no mesra wo ene de ani ahobrasiem NDC in 2024 our campaign time no omo cancel bebre na nsem omo kan no emu baako nie take and watch.
Abani otibi wesisi mu bebre abani wa for mu sika bebre de da me pena me kan yi de koko no bono koko bag biala abani bokon oboton wa bochi oya sika 9,800 oya Ghana sika da no mu 98 million Ghana cedis one bag. There's okoto 98 million cedis. Ghana is a share of koko board in there. Oida abano oche de miska bi mu abasa so che ma abasa na ono wa afakul na the koko farmer no wa ma na ebie na mo ma bani o to be only the west little ono wa afa ebie na wa ma koko farmer e ko pa the way iti koko ba di biala oida watanen en ko ida aban o ma koko farmer 65 million Ghana cedis 65 million Ghana cedis. Instead of my 65 million Ghana citizens, I buy one cocoa farmer or yet 30 million. And that's 3,000 Ghana cedis. And see, 65 and one more 30 million. If you win there, I ban it or you there. Usika MPP, I ban Wafa, or yeah, bag Biala, what 20 year, Usika 35 million. We're going to present a Gufado, Union Baumia, and the MP.
You heard it, okay? So this is coming from Dr. Kiso Atoforsen. And then I mean, no, Kase, one of the finance minister, Emma Ghana, F4. Sapa Penyah Nejina Simpio so catch and say, on my Penyah the Danko Kufuade, any year rather Tamamud Baumia, a trimoating, were pocketed 3,500 Ghana cedis of cocoa farmers, or Musika, or Mudiagu or Mutum. In fairness, no much, so Omudio Ghana by swap. Ombe make sure say cocoa farmer ni yen tia ne kakra no na nye 6,000 Ghana cedis per bag. Afedi na esi abusia eden na esi. Why are they not buying the cocoa beans 6,000 Ghana cedis per bag? Meantime obi o na minchiri obi nemum mekoso aka kai mo. Me pacho we eye ajana 1 ajana 2 amamu ana. Nani bibi probably 2024 elections and some akoso Ghana na when enya me nwanwa because about Penyah Mahama John I catch Ghana for you na say Ghana for the na mo yale a refi kakra ti you can some natural mo you can say because I check right now what you na film IQ no it was very low. Well, probably 2024 election about Penyah Mahama John one of the promise yes I promise you only when you're in 2020 and was happening in 2024. Now, when you are promising, the next time you want say a teacher for we never teacher for him, a teacher for our trainee teachers. Any day, a boss, and pack a so it was all about these licensure exams. Take and watch.
Licensure exams, you can watch them 2020. And to assume say, and you say, what should say colleges of education no, at the almost and quadano, a new peppers a baby, I was a drawer. I was so young bibi, na omutimi a yomo exams no mu pie. A year then and quada, on Baba Training College, 4 years. No mature exam. Afibia almost exam. Afibia almost exam. A drew 4th year, no mature final exam. No more pass it. Ya pass it, we are just on my teacher for no. No, what I say, almost a mature exam, bibium, and son of my Joma to be some way teacher for. Ezu, ain't you there say about licensure exam, no, you be year free.
So, you have to about the moment Penyah Mahama John, about former government. Now, the education minister at the council be the chair Ghana for say, Ampa, on opposition, almost share Bobby I before licensure exams. But this was how we.
Yes, it's true. The NDC campaigned on a manifesto promise we will end licensure exams. We did. And we'll keep faith with the electorate. But I need professional advice on this matter.
Training teachers, Charlie, how far? Are you still writing that licensure exams? anasi atwa mu di amamo abusua enye what time bi near time will be and then your penny MP will be asem. But the era where politicians eka betra bemu no ma ye bi no, we have to end it.
Now we also hear more. The insecurity in this country 225 for any day. This in your This in your hey, and then I will with your boom. Yes, I call to watch and go film so ha, and then I will anyway, but we and so I know, we and so I know just say the insecurity happen under John Mahama and the second come any day. Hey, Oba say Oba is that what they are there. First, nobody so grandma, yes, pepe. But the second come, you know, Oba is that day. Na eno ana Ghana for no abebusa Mahama question.
Mahama, I'm saying shame on you, to you, because I don't know what kind of words must your people push you. Honorable Sam Gyamfi Ablakwa, shame on you. Now you've seen what is coming. Shame on you, President Mahama. And I'm saying shame on you with no regret, because this thing happened on your regime. A Senegalese now being kidnapped and killed. When did Ghana started experiencing kidnapping, killing, total disgrace, tarnishing the image of our country? We started prompting you. These foreigners have come into our country. Take a good look to it. You have given a deaf ear, you and Honorable Ablakwa. We don't know what is going on. You have been muted and you have kept quiet upon all the noises Ghanaians are shouting, telling you something is not right, something is not right. You see where we have landed ourselves. Now Ghana is labeled as a kidnapped country because they have killed somebody in our country. They have unalived somebody in our country. A Senegalese has been unalived in our country, kidnapped. It's not a disgrace. Most of the politicians, I don't know. So you are working. Yes, you are working. Are you working for people to run out of the country, or you are working for people to have faith in the country? People are running now. People are coming from dirty December. Other people are coming up. When they hear this news, about Ghana now, what do you think? Tell me, President Mahama. Honorable Gyamfi Ablakwa, shame on you people. Shame on you. You are total disgrace. For months, we've been calling you. These things is working. I don't know whether most of the foreigners here, they came here to sabotage the country or what. You are not open a second eye to what we are telling you. A lot is going on. They are kidnapping Legon girls into, this Uber car and others. They are unaliving Ghanaians. Taxi driver has been killed at Elibo or Afao Road. We've been saying all these things. You've kept deaf ears to it. They unalive Ghanaian, Is it Ghana Embassy? They unalive one member. Honorable Sam Gyamfi Ablakwa has said nothing. Now they have unalived Senegalese in our country. A president is quiet, vice president is quiet, foreign minister is quiet. What are you people doing? What are you people saying? Can't you see? It is written on the wall that Ghana's image is being tarnished. President Mahama, what are you doing? You think right now Ghana needs roads, so you are not even giving a second look to what people who voted you to power. We are telling you, look at what is happening to us. Disgrace. When did Ghana start experiencing kidnapping? President Mahama, this is a total disgrace, and shame on you. Shame on you. You and your foreign minister. Shame on you. Shame on you. Total disgrace. No president. It did not happen in President Rawlings' time, President Akufo-Addo's time, President Atame's time. It happened on your regime. Because we kept saying that something is going wrong. Something is going wrong. Ghanaian authorities, You allow Nigerians to come and take our passport. Nigerians are tripping into our countries anyhow. We don't have any problem with that. But check them. Are they coming with the right source or the right mentality? Look at what is happening to us. Ghana is labeled as a kidnapped country because 2 Senegalese, as we speak now, has still been captured. One has been unalive in Ghana. We don't know who killed that person. We don't know who unalive that boy. And the leaders, all you know is power, 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 power. I am the president. I am this. I am this. So you are the president. And the people who voted for you, these Gen Z people, you know them. You have talked about them, President Mahama. You know them. You know the Gen Zs. And some of the pastors, the stomach direction pastors, competition pastors, fake men of God in Ghana, competing each other, pulling each other down, will not see all these things. Things are going wrong and we are quiet. No problem. It will start with the minister's daughter, minister's son, President Mahama. You have young son, you have young daughter. When they capture one, then your eyes will open. When these people start capturing your children and start manipulating things into your family, then your eyes will open. What kind of lifestyle is this? We have authorities in this country and things are going wrong. Everybody is quiet. We have talked about these things over and over and over and over and over. All the ministers quiet, MPP quiet, NDC quiet, politicians. What do you want from us? What do you people want from us? Do you want to kill all of us? What kind of president and what kind of politicians are we having? For so many months. And the national security will go and say, oh, nothing is going wrong. Nothing is going wrong. Look, nothing is going wrong. National security, you have seen. You have seen. Now people are tripping into Ghana. They are using Ghanaian passport. They are marrying our ladies. Some people even come and then export our people from here. We don't know what is going on. You have kept quiet. Days now, this Senegalese young man has been unalive. And no word from the president. No word from the foreign minister. No word from the vice president. Total shameless. Shameless and disgraced government. Yes, you are working. But let me ask you a question. When you finish building the road, when you finish building the factories, when you finish building what you are doing, and people have seen that Ghana is no longer peaceful as it used to be. Ghana is no longer as people feel like, okay, you can come here and unrest enough, and then they stop coming from 30 December. They stop visiting Ghana. They say, oh, now Ghana has been labeled as a bad country. When you come here, people will kidnap you, people will capture you. What are you going to say? Are you going to eat the work? Are you going to eat the work? President Mahama, are you going to eat the good work that you are doing? Yes, you are doing good work. Are you going to eat it? Don't you know that a good name is better than riches? So you are not ready to protect the image of Ghana, but you are ready to work for Ghana. We don't know what is going on. So you are not ready to protect the image of Ghana. So we are telling you things are going on, things are going on. The Gen Z, the people who voted you are speaking. The youth are not happy. People are talking from outside, telling you things. Still you have given a deaf ear to all these things. Look at what has landed us. We've landed ourselves in this disgraceful image labeled against us. May God forgive us. You these politicians, NDC and M people, no wonder. It's okay. Do whatever you want to do. When it starts from your family, when they start capturing your family, all of us, they will unalive all of us. But when they start capturing your family, then you will know that, okay, now this time you have to set up and take a drastic measures and decisions.
Chede wadwe mami, ewa comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media, Accra.